Hello, my lovely readers. Welcome back. Today, I brought you the Peppas on the Go box set. What are we waiting for? Let's read the next book. It's a little bit difficult to take this. Let's see. Right, okay, we took this. So today's book is gonna be KANGAROOS Submarine. Peppa is on holiday in Australia visiting Kylie Kangaroo. Mrs. Kangaroo is a marine biologist that studies creatures that live in the sea. This is my submarine office, says Mrs. Kangaroo. The submarine goes deep under the water. It is so colorful, gasps Peppa. That's coral, says Mrs. Kangaroo. It's made of tiny creatures. We call this the Great Barrier Reef. Peppa would like to take the coral home. Peppa would like to take the coral home. We can't take anything away, says Mrs. Kangaroo. Lots of creatures live in the reef, explains Kylie. Look, a turtle swims up to say hello. What a lovely bridge, says Peppa. George spots something in the sand. Mrs. Kangaroo blinks. It is a chest full of gold coins. The submarine picks the chest up. Wait, cries Peppa. We can't take anything away. Only natural thing, says Mrs. Kangaroo. These gold coins don't belong here. The gold coins will pay for more marine research, says Kylie on the way home. What a good day at my submarine office, says Mrs. Kangaroo. Yes, says Peppa. It was amazing. Yes, it's truly amazing under the water. The end. I hope you love the story. We will see you again with a beautiful story. Till then, love you all. Bye bye.
Booktube Kids.